Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve a messenger can't see online. To know how to fix or how to solve messenger can't see online, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of messenger. Then in this page, you will click for stop. After that, you will go to storage. Then in this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.